Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mashakal Me. Hope you all are doing well. In the Christmas series, the next nail art is the Santa Claus nail art. So in the childhood, who doesn't remember Santa Claus, isn't it? So in our childhood, it was like during Christmas our parents used to tell us, write whatever you want and write a letter to Santa and keep it on in the Christmas tree, and you'll get the gift on Christmas or during Christmas. So here is my simple take on how to create the Santa Claus nail art. I hope you will enjoy watching this video. So let's get started. So do you believe in Santa? Because I do, really. I still hope that someday Santa comes with all the things that I want and gift it to me during Christmas. But we do act as secret Santa in our family, or we do gift each other gifts or buy gifts during this season. So this is how your final nail art will look like. This cute little Santa with a hat and his robe. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Mashakal Me, and watch my other Christmas series nail art on my YouTube channel, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and I shall meet you tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye.